Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to give a record or report walkthrough in NetSuite. Giving a record or report walkthrough in NetSuite involves guiding your audience step by step through how to access, understand, and utilize a specific record or report. Here's a practical guide on how to do that. First, define the objective of the walkthrough. Clearly state what record or report you're walking through and why it matters. Example: today, we'll walk through the sales order record to understand its structure and how to track fulfillment status. Second, start from the navigation path. Show how to access the record report. For a record, using sales orders as an example, go to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Orders List. For a report, using a trial balance as an example, navigate to Reports, Financial Trial Balance. Third, explain the layout, highlight key sections such as header and sub-tabs. For reports, still using trial balance as an example, point out filters, date ranges, and grouping options. Fourth, walk through field by field. Mention the important fields in the record or report show, which fields are editable and which are system-generated ones. If it's a saved search report, point out summary types and criteria. Fifth, show actions or use cases. What can the user do from the record? Can user edit, approve, print, email? Explain that access depends on what role users are using. Or how is the data used in business decisions? Sixth, offer tips and best practices such as use filters to narrow down large reports. Always check the subsidiary for multi-entity accounts. Seventh, end with summary. Summarize the purpose and next steps. Ask for questions or feedback if presenting live. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.